double check this bit real quick. Don't need it. Alright, now we're going to do a little bit of organizing. Alright, so I've got main components, intake manifold, exhaust manifold, radiator, exhaust pipe, and then the transmission and engine. It's raining out, but it's supposed to rain the next couple of days. So anyway, I'm going to leave that on there, also to prevent it from getting any dust. And then I also got the wheel assemblies put back together, both sides. Next is to get this, where the hell's my hand? There it is. This bar secured. And then I'll be able to put in the suspension and these forks. I can do that while I wait for an engine hoist to be free. And then it's just in and out. This one's also blue. Sorry, spiders, but that's where this lives. These are 36 foot-pounds. I need a chain. Go away! Go away! Go away! I need to move the van. Yeah, okay.
What model is this? Like, what year is that?
It's the Road 2000 HX and D16 Wi-Fi.
Already that are like almost maxed out, and I'm just like, bro,
How
how do you do
they
that?
have no
Like,
fucking life.
dude, there's no way that you just got to level 40 and like, no, you can't. They won't allow you to do it. If they had that, bro, I would have been trading skins. I would have traded like every single one I have right now. Well, it's definitely a nice car, bro. You can freaking like this is like a Honda you take and like do some like crazy like
mod it out.
Yeah, bro. These like they look like a regular car.
Like a turbo in it.
Put you open the hood and it's like you got like the nitro gas and the bat yell.
Hey.
It's like it's the regular Honda, bro. You hear the engine.
Yeah, alright. Oops. Alright, yeah, that's right. Got my lefts and my rights backwards all the time. Try and make it lefty loosey, but I'm making it righty tighty. Just do it again. Yep. Say hello.
Hello.
This is Asa. He's helping me today.
No, I just hate that. This is half an amateur car repair. How the fuck do I do it? Fair. There she goes.
You have the direction key?
No, I'm just taking a look first.
Okay.
Get a 10mm 12.
Got you. It's an 11. Yours is a much nicer set than mine. Mine goes up by like 2s and then 5s.
You. So you see that spot where the excess chain is like resting on the engine in between the two parts?
Yeah.
You see that rail?
The rail?
There's like a
Oh, yeah.
there's like a metal rail with a thing sitting on it.
Yeah.
On the end over here.
Yes.
That rail is gonna have to come out as well.
Okay.
So there's two. Is the cover already off?
I don't know.
Okay. There would be a plastic cover with ridges.
Yeah, it's off.
Oh god, how do I get out?
Carefully.
Phew.
So it's...
Oh, it's not right there, is it? No, it's right here. Oh, I can't even reach that.
With the ratchet.
Yeah, I need an extension.
How the fuck did we get this?
What's the issue?
There's a clip in the way. And those clips haven't been moved in 20 years. Yes, nice and clean. And there's another one.
Yeah.
That's the worst place I could put it. Whew. Where is it?
Want this one?
Put it over there next to the paint tray.
Oh, hey, kitty.
There he is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to grab this wrench and put it on the other side again?
No, I'm gonna put the breaker bar over here because there's more movement.
Cool. Should we put it on the 17?
You're right. It's the 18. You got me.
That's why I'm here.
It's a surprise tool that we used for later.
Might just be the side that moves.
So we got liquid coming out.
From where?
Right here.
Oh, that's cool. Let me get a rag for that. That's
And that's why you don't use hand ratchets for breaker bars.
It's gonna break it.
Yeah.
So it's next.
Back, sides, the front. I mean, I don't have to do this, but like, I've already filmed so much of the car, I might as well finish, right? That's also a terrible idea. Yeah.
Dope.
Okay, that's actually kind of. Okay.
What's the plan?
Let's call it,
Nice. So this should be completely unsecured, right?
Yes. Minus, so it's using this hinge here to rest on this spot,
Gotcha.
and then that to rest on that as well. That's completely disconnected.
Cool.
This will be completely disconnected. Yeah. So it'll just be resting there.
Alright. Really, really missing that ratchet right now.
I really am, yeah. How many times have I looked at? I don't know how many times I've looked at my transmission like this and I've never noticed that thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Got a nice little rainbow effect going on.
Oh yeah. Means it hasn't moved in 20 years.
Hey, yo.
Alright.
Yep, that's moving.
So the next step, once we come back, is we're gonna take these off on the bottom,
Okay.
this and that one, and the whole thing should just come right up.
So, is this counterweighted to just lift up, or is it a ratchet system?
It's a ratchet system, so you pump it with this bit.
Yeah.
Thing, and there's the bit to let out air.
Nice.
Alright.
It's just like an up-down thing, right?
Yeah. Alright. Now that it's in the air,
We're
gonna-
gonna have an issue here.
cool. That's why I have an extra pair of eyes to see things I can't.
No, that.
Damn.
But my genius idea.
Alright, now let's pause. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can back it up a little bit.
So it's caught on something.
Does that look like it's going to be in the way of the alternator?
This?
That little tab there. This one. Does that look like it's going to be in the way here?
No.
No. Okay.
I lied. I lied. It is. Well, nope.
All right.
Like this, we're good.
Oh no, it's leaking transmission fluid.
Whoops. Quit. Drink it.
Take this chair from me. Compressor. Trans drain plug. That is why you label everything.
Was this the thing that you were talking about before?
Yeah.
Hey, by the way, I wanted you to know that's not on the desk.
It.
I said you might be able to power wash that. You sure you don't want something down there just in case it does spill a bit more?
Not. It's plugged up.
Clear on my side.
Same. Looks like it's completely out.
Just gotta get the hood on it so it can come
Lift
out
it
without
up.
ripping out your front bumper.
Pause. Alright, go ahead. Okay, that's good. Alright. Rotate it to your right a little bit.
Perfect.
Move the fire pit and stuff.
Yes.
And as well as. I'm going to. There it is. Just a little bit. Oh, actually, that's perfect. Don't crush it.
I was gonna rotate it before we move it.
Oh, okay. So you want
Actually-
to rotate it so it's going this way on the thing instead of this way.
You know what? If I do want to rotate it, like I'm saying, I do actually have to. It just wasn't loose.
Yeah, I forgot about the weight distribution.
Cool.
Look at that, dude.
Fuck yeah, we did that.
We did that. You saw it.
Right here. More later.